Hey, what's going on? It's Evenstad from BootstrapBizGrowth.com, and in this video, I want to talk about how to improve your website, and specifically, how to start getting more sales, more customers, more clients, more prospects, all from your website. So the key here is you need to tell your customers what you want them to do. So somebody lands on your website, they start reading through all the information and services and reading about your company, but they don't know what to do. You need to treat your customers kind of like robots. It sounds bad, but you need to tell your visitors to your website exactly what action you want them to take. And if you do this, you're going to get more people in the door, more people buying from you, and that's what we want, right? That's the ultimate goal. That's the whole reason why we have a website, is to get new customers and get new sales. So let's take a look at what I mean here with calls to action. I'm going to pull up my screen and give you a few examples. Number one is this website. This is BaseCamp. This is a software program, and it's for business owners. And so here is their call to action. They want a free 30-day trial. So they try to get people in the door, use their service, use their software program for 30 days, and then hopefully it'll turn into customers because they'll fall in love with it, right? So here their call to action. Start a free 30-day trial. Type in your email address. Try it free. Up here there's a button. Or sign up with Google. They have all these different ways for people to get started and to take action. And for them, that first step of getting somebody in the door and becoming a customer is to try a 30-day trial. So you need to figure out what that first action people take with your company is, so that you can also turn them into a customer or a client or a buyer. So for a restaurant, your website might have a call to action button that says reserve a seat or reserve a table, or maybe it is find a location, or maybe it's see our menu. So you need to figure out what is that first action that your customers want to see on your website and tell them to do that. Tell them to take that action. I hope that makes sense. If we scroll down here, you're going to see another button here. That's another call to action. There's not a lot going on their homepage here, but there's 3 or 4 or 5 call to action buttons. So it's all around here. It's very noticeable. Big green button. Big green button. It stands out. And as you can see, the call to action is what we call above the fold. So when you first land on this website, the above the fold area is considered all of the screen that you can see without scrolling. So you want to have 1 or 2 call to action buttons above the fold. That's going to be very crucial. When somebody lands on your website, they should automatically know what that first step you want them to take is. Let's look at another one here. Here is a resume builder website. I've never used this before, but I thought this one was really great as well. Your resume made easy. So it looks like they help you build your resume. And what's their call to action? Build your resume right there. Green button above the fold. There are no other links that they really can click on. So everybody's going to click on that, and let's see where that takes us. So this takes us to another page where you start to create that resume, and they have very simple instructions, and you're already hooked. If you click on that button and you need a resume, you're hooked and you're in the door for them. So let's do here, and now they're up and running. So that is a really great call to action. Let's look at a couple more here. This is a contractor company, so a local business, and right above the fold, get a free estimate, get a free estimate. So the big change that I would like to see here would be to make this button here a little bit noticeable. I would have made this blue right off the bat, or maybe even another color, like say a yellow, so that it really stands out, and so that the eyeball, when somebody comes to this website, looks right at that button. Right here, it's a little bit too small for my liking, and it kind of blends in too much. So that would be my one critique here. But I do like that they have this get a free estimate, because they've obviously determined that that is that first contact that works best for them when somebody visits their website. They want to get that free estimate so that hopefully they can turn them into a new customer. And let's see where this takes us. Free estimate, contact us. So they have a phone number and an email address, and then a contact form down here. That's pretty good. I might clean this up a bit if it was me, just to entice more people to fill this out. Maybe tell them what they can expect with this free estimate, how long it's going to take for them to get it. That might be useful information, but that's for another day. What we're really focusing on here are these call to actions. So 1, 2 call to actions above the fold. That is fantastic. And then here is a CrossFit gym. This one I really love. they have 2 call to actions right here. And you see this on a lot of websites today. There could be one that says watch an intro video or something, or learn more about the company, and it pops up a video where you can see maybe the business owner or what's going on with the business. These people just have a free option, so try us for free and then join today. And if you click try us for free, it takes the visitor right to a page where they can actually schedule a fitness class. So as you can see right here, when you hit that try it for free button, it takes them right to this page, and they can easily come over here and select a class that they want to go to for free. And total due is $0. All they have to do is type in their email address. So this is a double whammy here. They're not only getting people in the door to a free class, but they're also capturing their email to put on a list so that they can remarket to them. This is fantastic. And then if we do join today, it's going to take them to a checkout page so they can easily select which program they want to be a part of, and they are up and running. So this is a really fantastic website. 2 different call to actions here. Really like that. Really like how noticeable these are with the white border around there and the different colors. Very easy to see. It's the first thing you see on this website when you land on it. Both are above the fold. So this is really great. And then the last one that I'll just show you is, well, my website. Here I have Get Our Must-Have Tools. So that is a freebie that we give away to people. This is all of our favorite tools to help business owners grow their business on a budget. So it's our free and really cheap tools that we think are going to help those entrepreneurs. So if they click on this, my whole goal is I want to get them on my email list. So this is going to take them to this page where they can sign up for my must-have tools. Going back, I have another call to action up here, very noticeable, green button, free resources. And with this one, same thing, I'm trying to get people on my email list so that I can start to engage with them, add more value, and build trust. And so this is to get my free resources. They just type in their contact information and they get the free resources, and they are added to my email list so that I can remarket to them. So that's how I do it on my site. Down here you'll see these 1, 2, 3. These are more free resources that I give away to people. So my entire goal for my website and my business is to get people on the email list. So that's what all these different call to actions are doing, is trying to get people on the email list. So what I recommend for you is just to figure out what it is that you want people to do. What's that action that you want your website visitors to take so that they eventually become customers and start to buy from you. Figure out what that action is, and then put those call to action buttons all over your website and make it enticing. Make it something that they want. Try us for free. That is a great one. Who doesn't love free? Join today. That's going to be for somebody that maybe knows a little bit about this company already. So figure out what that text is on the buttons that is really going to draw people in, and get them to raise their hand and say, I want that. I really want that. I'm going to click the button and I'm going to start engaging with this company. That is what's going to make a great call to action button. And that's what's going to get you more sales from your website. So go make this update to your website. Do it yourself if you can. Talk to your web designer. Figure out how you can start to use your website to get you more sales and to build a better business. I hope you find value in this. If you do, give us a thumbs up down below. Share this video with anybody else that you think might find value in it, that might need a little boost from their website. And I would love it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel where we talk about how to grow a business on a budget. Please subscribe down below, hit that big red button, and you'll get all of our latest tips on how to grow your business. We'll talk about affordable marketing strategies that actually work. We talk about outsourcing, productivity, tools, tips, and tech that's going to help make your life as an entrepreneur a little bit easier. So again, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And then lastly, I just want to thank you for coming by and checking out this video, and we'll see you next time.